Today I'm going to show you how I made Soot Sprite Boba from the Studio Ghibli films. We originally made this on live stream. Start off by adding water and sugar to a microwave-safe bowl, stir it up and microwave for about 15 seconds. Then we're going to go ahead and add in some tapioca starch, stir it until there's no lumps, and then we'll throw this in the microwave in 15 to 30 second increments until it looks something like this. It should be very sticky. Then stir this up until homogeneous, and we're going to add the rest of our tapioca starch. Fold it in until you have a shaggy ball of dough. Once you have that, you can pour it out to a work surface and start kneading. We want to knead this until it's nice and smooth and not sticky. If it's sticky, add more tapioca starch. Then we're going to separate this out and add some food coloring. Yellow, pink, and green for the conpeto candies, white for the eyes, and black for the Soot Sprites. To make the sprites, start by rolling a ball of black, and then we're going to use some water to attach some white for the eyes, and then press in some food coloring to make the pupils. Now you got a Soot Sprite. For the conpeto candies, we're going to go ahead and use this cutter and punch out a bunch of them. Here's what they look like all together. Now we're going to pour these into some boiling water and cook to the directions above. Once they're ready, you can take them out and add some honey to let them soak in some sweetness. Here's what they look like fully cooked. And I serve this in a taro milk tea because I think it looks really cute and it's delicious. And yes, it does fit up the straw. What should I make next?